In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store HIPAA data in HubSpot CRM. Ensuring that sensitive health information is handled correctly is crucial, and HubSpot can be configured to help you maintain compliance with HIPAA regulations. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, locate the Settings icon. You'll find this at the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will open up a variety of options that you can adjust to fit your needs. Next, in the Settings menu, there's a handy search bar that you can use to quickly find what you're looking for. Type in the word Data. This search will narrow down the options and help you locate the precise settings related to data management. When the search results appear, look for the option labeled Data Hosting. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage how your data is stored and accessed. This is a key step in ensuring that your data handling complies with HIPAA standards. In this section, it's important to review the available hosting options. Make sure that the settings align with your compliance requirements. This might include selecting data centers that meet specific regulatory standards or configuring access controls. As you make these adjustments, keep in mind that HIPAA compliance is not just about where data is stored, but also about who can access it and how it is protected. Therefore, you might want to consider setting up additional security measures such as two-factor authentication, auditing access logs, and ensuring encryption protocols are in place. Remember, while HubSpot provides tools to help with data management, it's also crucial to have internal policies and procedures that support compliance. This includes regular training for your team on handling sensitive information and staying up to date with any changes in data protection laws. By following these steps and maintaining a vigilant approach to data security, you'll be well on your way to storing HIPAA-compliant data in HubSpot CRM. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to HubSpot's support team or consult with a compliance expert to ensure all your bases are covered. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in managing HIPAA data within HubSpot CRM. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.